Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, where I do videos on design, furniture makeovers, room makeovers, and today we are going to go into Kirkland. So I thought I would take you along so you can see what a Kirkland's in my area looks like. Let's get into the store. And guys, welcome to my Kirkland's. This happens to be one of the most wonderful places on the planet. On this day, they were having a 4th of July sale with some doorbuster deals. 50% off outdoor furniture, 50% off of selected furniture. Jar candles were $5. And then other than that, 30% off the entire store. Those lemon pillows. Oh my goodness. Friends, I wanted to grab all of them and that little bike pillow as well. And this outdoor selection Kirkland's had was amazing. It was so colorful. And these little vignettes that they put together with this outdoor furniture and this little statue, it just looked so inviting. I was really interested in that black and cane piece. I really wanted to see how they put that together. Cane can be a little bit difficult and tricky to work with, just to kind of hide the seams. So you see me opening up the cabinets and just seeing how they finished that caning. These lanterns to our left are so cute. I thought they would be very adorable on the front porch, by the front door, for Christmas time, for fall time. I might go back to get those. Those candlesticks are very on trend right now. You see that they have some gold, some silver, and some black. I was very tempted to pick up a set of those. And there it is. There is the sign that we came in here for. Friends, you know we're redoing the laundry room, and I had to go to Kirkland's to get a sign. They always have such an amazing sign selection, not just your typical flat sign, but they also have some three-dimensional signs, as well as you can see the home and the welcome sign. But that laundry sign, that is the #1 reason why I went in there. Again, here's a pillow that I have in my living room. I have a set of 3. I love those pillows. They're really nice to snuggle with. And I see that square one that matches. I might have to go back and get that. Did not see that when I was there filming. These round and rectangle serving trays are stunning and not that expensive, surprisingly. Kind of looking at a little bit more laundry room choices. I still kind of like what we found initially, so you'll see at the end of this video that I stuck with our initial decision. And while we're still hanging around shopping, if you're not a part of this amazing family that we're growing, go ahead and press the subscribe button And if you wouldn't mind giving a little love tap to that like button, that means the world to this little family that we're growing. Now, I typically don't use napkin rings all that much, but for $3.99, these were stunning. And again, I am enthralled with these serving pieces. I believe you can, they're food safe, I believe, but they were just stunning. Don't worry, I went back and I fixed that. And here I am circling back around to look at that rectangle and round wooden serving platter. You know, looking back at it, I should have just picked it up. So guys, if you are in Kirkland's, definitely pick these up. They are very large and beautiful, beautiful pieces. And of course I had to look at this table. The wood was amazing. It was that rough tone, like reclaimed wood, but it had a beautiful finish on it, and you could tell that it was well made. Along with all the other goodies, Kirkland is known for their lamps, and their mirrors are absolutely stunning. And they always have such unusual lamps at Kirkland's, especially this one I had my eye on. It had such an industrial flair. I definitely would have picked that up. It was a little bit out of my price range, but it's a lamp that I haven't really seen elsewhere. The mirrors, oh my goodness, this mirror, oh my goodness, I wanted it so badly. I have no place to put it, but they have a very anthropology vibe to it. They have a smaller one and they have a taller one. Oh, they are absolutely beautiful. And if you're not into that kind of metal mirror, they have some other types as well, equally as stunning. The clearance section. In this corner of Kirkland's, it does happen to have a clearance section. They have amazing prices, amazing finds. And at this Kirkland's, they have a separate selection for their artwork. I love art. I love all types of art. Not everybody has the same style, and what I like the most about Kirkland's is that they have something for everyone, for everybody's style. Over the couch, I have a canvas that I thrifted, and I did my own DIY artwork. And although it is very lovely and it does tie in all the colors, I am eyeing this carved piece. I think I might go back and get that piece. As you can see, these arches really caught my eye, and when I flipped it over and looked at the price, I saw that they were on clearance, but I did not pick it up. What I did was I went home and I thought about it and I thought about it, and the more I thought about it, the more I was like, I need to pick those up. So I ordered them online. Again, a wonderful example of how not every artwork is going to be well liked by everyone. However, there is something for everyone here. I believe people can find something that will fit their decor with their style. Because at the end of the day, you want to make your home comfortable to you, a place that you want to go home to and relax, and you're surrounded by all the things that make you happy. All right, guys, I'm going to take my laundry sign and check out. I'll see you outside the store. Guys, that's it for our Kirkland shopping. I ended up getting that sign for the laundry room. Remember, we're doing that laundry room makeover. That sign cost me $22.87 with tax and everything. I know that they were having 30% off of everything on the store, plus a couple of other extra deals. But I enjoyed our trip. That store is like a candy store to me. It is a beautiful store. It smells great. The people are so nice. Just everything in there is so wonderful. If you're not already a part of our wonderful and amazing family, go ahead and press the subscribe button. And then again, hit the like button. That goes a long way. and hit that bell notification in case you want to know the next time I post a video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.